Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this TireMinder portable air compressor for RV tires. This 150 psi portable air compressor is going to fill up your RV tires quickly and quietly. It's going to be perfect for Class A RV tires, and this 1.8 cubic feet per minute maximum airflow is going to fill 22.5-inch Class A tires from flat to 100 psi in less than 12 minutes. It's going to fill your 16-inch fifth wheel tires to 65 psi in less than 6 minutes. And then it's going to fill your 14-inch travel tires to 50 psi in less than 4 minutes. Again, this has a maximum air pressure of 150 psi. This is what I would consider to be a heavy-duty air compressor. It has a good weight, but yet it is still very portable. So I think it's going to be able to really put up with quite a bit of punishment. This feels like it's going to last quite a long time and give you many years of great use. This includes everything that you see here on the table in front of me, and I want to go over what is included. First, this includes a high quality braided steel hose that's going to dissipate heat, and you can connect this braided steel hose to either the extender hose or to our main hose using the spring loaded connectors. So this is going to make connecting these hoses to each other very easy. And so we also have our 30-foot main air hose and a 30-foot extension hose that's going to give you a total length of 60 feet. Now these hoses are of a polyacrylic urethane blend, and the braided hose here must be used in between the green hose and the compressor. Failure to do so may cause the green hoses to warp and or leak. So you want to connect the braided steel hose to the compressor using the spring loaded connector. So I'm going to go ahead and connect our braided steel hose to our main hose here first. So make sure that's connected, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect our steel hose to our compressor. Again, the spring loaded connectors is going to make that very easy. So then we have our high accuracy digital inflator, and this is going to attach to our air hose here. So again, very simple to do. And this has a screw-on connector that's going to thread onto your tires, and this also comes with some other connectors too to inflate your balls or other inflatables. So this isn't just limited to inflating your tires. So that's a nice benefit that this comes with those additional connectors here. Now this gauge is powered by 2 AAA batteries that are included, and to get a readout you're just going to release the trigger to view the current tire pressure of the tire that you are connected to. So again, this is going to take the guesswork out of filling up your tires. So we also have alligator clips that are hardwired to our compressor. And these alligator clips are going to attach to your vehicle's battery. With your vehicle turned off, you're going to connect the compressor's alligator clips to your battery. And then once they're connected, turn your vehicle on. Due to the high amp draw of this compressor, your vehicle must be on while the compressor is running. Running the compressor while your vehicle is off will quickly drain or possibly damage your battery. So I have a power source right here, so I'm going to go ahead and connect that, and that's going to be a very easy operation here. And so once we are connected to our vehicle's battery, and then once we turn on our vehicle, then we can go ahead and turn our compressor on, and that power switch is right there. So let me go ahead and set this down. I'm going to turn this on. And this is rated at less than 60 decibels, so it's a relatively quiet operation. And as you can see, it just kicked off, so it just built up enough pressure. So we're ready to fill up our tires. So I'm going to go ahead and hit our release here. And as you can hear, our compressor kicks back on. So I don't think this is terribly loud at all. In my enclosed studio here, it's definitely not overly loud or irritating. So I'm really glad of that. The pressure release valve is going to keep air buildup at a safe level, and the thermal overload protector is going to automatically shut this unit down if it overheats. But I do want to point out that this will not automatically shut off during normal operation. So when you're done using this, you want to make sure that you turn the power off. So let me go ahead and just run this again. Let the compressor run. So again, I'm very impressed that this is relatively quiet. Again, it's going to run less than 60 decibels. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And when you're done using the compressor, after you turn it off, you do want to use the inflator gauge to remove the air from the compressor. And that should take no more than 10 seconds. And that's going to greatly increase the life of your compressor. Now this also has an air filter that should be replaced every 2,000 hours of use. And so this is going to be a very simple thing. You're just going to unscrew this. And that's going to come right off. And then give this a few turns, and there's our air filter. And again, that needs to be replaced about every 2,000 hours of use. I mentioned about the extra connectors that are included. And this overall, I measured this before our time together today, just to give you a sense of how big this is. So the overall length from end to end, we are sitting right at about 13 inches long. The overall height from where it's sitting, the surface that it sits on, all the way to the highest point right here, we're sitting right at about 7 3/4 inches tall. And then the overall depth, and really the base is the widest point here. We're sitting right at about 5.5 inches deep. Now, as you probably noticed, this also includes a handy carry bag that when you are ready to stow this away in your vehicle, in your RV, you can just put everything together in this bag. It's got plenty of room, not only for the compressor, but also zippered pockets for the hoses. So everything will go in here nice and secure. It's going to keep everything in good condition. And then a really great instruction manual here that will walk you through the step-by-step how to operate this. And it's a really well-done instruction manual. So overall, I'm really impressed with this compressor, with everything that it comes with, and just with the overall build. And if this meets the specifications you're looking for, I think you're going to be really happy with it as well. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.